How's it, Grant here? Welcome back to the channel. And this is not the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Alpine Green. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Midnight Green. This is the new Alpine Green color for the 13 Pro Max right here. So we're gonna check it out. And I'm not sure why we keep buying new colors or why Apple releases colors late. Well, we all know why. It's for the sales, but would have been nice if they released it at the same time. So this is the 256 gig version of the standard iPhone 13 Pro, not the Pro Max. I actually like the smaller iPhone 13 Pro. It's easier to handle one-handed and all that. For some reason, I just like the smaller iPhones, whereas I like the bigger Android phones. Not really sure why that is. I think probably because the iPhone is all flat and it feels a little bit wider, so it feels a lot bigger than it really is. But here we go. Alpine Green, iPhone 13 Pro, not the Max. You can see that right there. Definitely a deeper green than the Midnight Green here on the previous iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max. You can see here it's much deeper green, hence Midnight Green. You can see the rounded corners and the really deep stainless steel green sides versus this much more pronounced Alpine Green color here in the new 13 Pro and Pro Max. And even in the camera modules, you can see there, much deeper green on the Alpine Green than the Midnight Green there. And you can see how much bigger the camera module is, which is crazy on iPhone 13 Pro. You kind of get used to looking at it after a while. And going back to previous iPhones, that camera module looks pretty tiny. So there you go. Frosted glass back on each, which is really, really nice. Really like that. And of course, in the box, you're not going to get a whole lot. You're going to get your designed by Apple in California thing. You're going to get your SIM card tool. You're going to get some instructions and no color matching Apple stickers, your standard white sticker there. And then you're going to get your basic lightning cable with no charging brick in the box. And yes, I do agree with people. They should be including charging bricks in the box at this point. You shouldn't assume people have the charger. Maybe they're upgrading from an older model. Really should come in the box for this price. And there you go. So that's the box there. Maybe we'll just stick that right here. And you can see that Alpine Green versus Midnight Green. And we can even check out the sides here, the stainless steel sides on that. Really shiny, really deep green. Tough to come across on this camera here. But it's pretty much kind of like a deep green like this. Pretty close, a little bit off, but either way, really deep stainless steel color there in green. And then we can go ahead and pull off the front tab for dramatic effect there. And yeah, that's pretty much what it's going to be. And so let's go ahead and bring in the blue. So here's the blue iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can see that up against the Alpine Green here. So blue was a hot color. Now the hot color is going to be this Alpine Green. It's going to be the must-get color for a lot of people, I guess, if you want the latest and greatest. But these are the two most popular colors because they're the newest colors for the iPhones right there. You can see it up against the Midnight Green there. And we do still have the standard iPhone 13 Pro. And you can see it compared to the green iPhone 13 Pro there. All right, so I quickly went through the setup, and I just want to quickly show you the wallpapers here. So let's unlock the phone here. And by default, this is what it looks like out of the box. You probably all know this, but here's the new live wallpapers that they have to custom color and match the colors of the iPhone. And so here's the green one here, and we can go ahead and set it. And just so you can see what it looks like here on the iPhone itself. So you got green on your wallpaper to match that Alpine Green on the back there. And of course, I think with the latest iOS update, you can get any of these color wallpapers for your current iPhone. But just want to show you that if in case you like color matching stuff, there you go. And we can go ahead and check out this one right here. Even a deeper green, more bright green. So let's go ahead and set both here. You can check out what that looks like. This is a much brighter green. So if you want a more understated green, use the previous one. This is a much brighter green. You can see it here on the home screen, what it looks like here with all the lights on that wallpaper there. So just want to quickly show you that. So in case you're really into color matching things with the wallpapers, this is what it looks like here with your new Alpine Green iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max. So there you go. I just want to do a quick unboxing of this new Alpine Green color, share it with all of you. And again, you know, you don't have to run out there and get the newest color. I just did it because, you know, I've got the blue. I want the latest color. I don't know why we do that. We're tech nerds. We like to get the latest and greatest. And, you know, I'm probably going to give this 13 Pro to another family member anyway. So it's going to go to a good home. But I did want to get this color and show it off to you. And I don't normally do unboxings, but I want to do it because, well, it's a custom color and why not show it off? I know there's a bunch of other videos, but just wanted to show you to here compared to this Midnight Green and some of the more popular blue color there on the iPhone. So any questions or comments about the iPhone, if you want to see more camera comparisons, I've already done a ton, but if you want to see more with the newer phones, let me know in the comments which ones you want to see. And as always, thanks for watching.